Have a nice day, everyone. The last time I spoke about the hydraulic external leak limitations for servo controls and drops and the time or the minute. But this time, here, the servo controls for the aileron, elevator, rudder, spoiler, and yaw damper. But this time, instead of minutes, we put cycles. Here, dynamic seals in operation, in normal operation, 1 drop in 10 cycles. For dispatch, to avoid the delay, the elevator, 3 drops in 10 cycles. The aileron, 3 drops in 10 cycles. The rudder, 15 drops per cycle. Spoiler, 15 drops per cycle. Please take care from the notes in your aircraft maintenance manual. Other components here to check for leak: the landing gear, main landing gear and nose landing gear and their doors, then the cargo doors actuators. The location here, static seals. Here, not allowed, no drops. Here, 2 drops in 10 minutes. The rod seals, the seal in the side of rod, system pressurized, 1 drop per minute. Here, 30 drop per minute. Rod seals, but in operation, not pressurized, in operation, 1 drop per cycle. Here, 2 drop per cycle. Here is the nose landing gear actuator. This is the blue color. It is the actuator. Here is the main landing gear actuator. Here, the main landing gear actuator during retraction. Here, the door of the nose gear. Here, the actuator. Okay. Here, the main landing gear door actuator. Here. Okay. Here, the cargo door. The cargo door, there are 2 actuators here. Check for leak. Okay. Please, I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.